Want to share your favorite moments on WhatsApp? The best way to do that is by adding a story. In this video, I'll show you how to easily add a story to your WhatsApp. Let's dive in. So launch the WhatsApp app on your Android phone and tap on the status or the camera icon in the top. Now, if you want to add a photo story, select photo. And if you want to share a video story, tap on video in the bottom. You can capture a new photo or video on the spot or select something from your gallery. To get something from your gallery, tap the image icon in the left corner and choose an image or video. After choosing it, you can edit your video or photo. There are quite a few edit options at the top of your screen, like the pencil icon for normal edits, the T icon for text edits, the emoji icon for emoji edits, and so on. Just edit your story however you like, and after that, tap the check mark at the bottom right corner. Tap My Status, then tap the arrow icon, and that photo or video will be shared as your story right there. And that's all. Now you know how to add a story on WhatsApp in just a few easy steps. If this helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tips. Catch you in the next one.